eyeing the fast-growing on-demand laundry market can now access financing to venture into the laundromat business. This follows a deal between LG Electronics, Avana Laundromats and Hotpoint that seeks to create jobs for more Kenyans while offering laundry solutions to a growing middle-income class. Here are the details of this and other stories in our corporate roundup.
With less than 20% of Kenyan homes owning a washing machine or dryer, commercial laundromats, popularly known as dry cleaners, are set to offer investors and clients a smarter, safer way of doing laundry. Besides financing, the deal will offer franchising opportunities for interested entrepreneurs. The laundromat technology is equipped with a digital app that allows operators to manage their businesses off-site in real time and promptly track and resolve technical issues.
We were looking for somebody who would be able to offer franchising and financing solutions to people who would want to open their own laundromat.
In order to open this opportunity to the small and mid-sized the entrepreneurs, they want to enter into in this kind of the business, we want to introduce about this kind of the business scheme, and secondly, we want to give the experience to the end customer.
Meanwhile, the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mombasa chapter, has signed an MOU with the Ugandan Consulate to strengthen bilateral ties. Ugandan Consulate General to Kenya, Paul Mukumbia, expressed his optimism that the deal will build trust, access and expertise that will help local business find new resources and opportunities.
This MOU provides a platform for further collaboration between the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce in Mombasa and the Consul General of Uganda. We look forward to a lot more successful events and further collaboration and bringing the business numbers up.
The Agribusiness Symposium and the exhibition that we held last year was made to see how the two countries can better cooperate, one, to enhance trade, but also two, to deal with the bottlenecks, the tariff and non-tariff barriers that were hindering the smooth flow of trade.
Finally, farmers in Migori County risk losing their produce after armyworms invaded their farms, destroying maize, sorghum and millet crops, as well as pasture. The farmers claim their efforts to reach the county officials have not borne fruits, as most officers are on political campaigns.
Na hao wadudu wameharibu shamba yote. Sasa hata safari hii hatuna hata haja ya kupalilia kwa sababu hakuna kitu vile mnaweza kuona. Imekula kila kitu, na hapa tukilima vizuri na tuvune vizuri tunapata mahindi kama gunia 50 ama 50 na kitu. Lakini mara hii ni kama tunaenda kutoka bure.
Nalima na mbegu nimenunua na mbolea. Nimeweka watu wa kibarua wamebadilia mahindi, sasa nikilala siku mbili mimi naenda hakuna mahindi kwa shamba. Nimeshangaa.
For Prime Edition, I am